Imagine being able to create cinematic map animations like this, or insane motion graphics that are not just attention grabbing but super sleek in just a few minutes. On top of that, you don't need to spend hours on After Effects or any other expensive software. Let's be honest, guys, times are changing. And whether you are a content creator or a business owner, engaging your users is one of the most important elements to stay relevant in digital media. And most people think you need to be a pro designer to pull this off. But what if I told you there are not one, but two free AI tools that can help you create these kinds of videos in just a few clicks? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what these tools are, how they work, and how you can start making jaw-dropping animations for your videos, presentations, or even social media content. Make sure to watch the video till the end, as I will also tell you a secret trick to surpass the download limits while staying within the free plan. And if you are also someone who wants to make your life easier and automated with AI, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and let's start with the video. The first tool we are going to talk about is Auto AE. Well guys, this website is a treasure chest of amazing motion graphic templates that will definitely elevate your videos, ads or content. You just name it, guys. Alright, so this is the landing page of Auto AE. It's a beautiful website with beautiful animations. You can also create animations via prompt if you'll just click over here and type in the prompt. But for the time being, let's select the templates and choose from it. So as you can see, you can literally pick up any of the following animations and just customize it according to your brand color or the elements you want to show. They also have these filters that helps a ton in sorting. Well, as you can see, there are options such as categories, then there's visual style, then there's use cases and core points to find the right animation that fits your needs. And moreover, if you'll just come down to this others option and click on it, so you'll find a lot of popular creators whose style you can integrate in your video. And the best part is these templates are just super easy to customize. And let me just show you how it's done. Alright, so let's start with this one. Let's have a preview what it looks like. Okay, so you can see and decide what kind of animation you want. Let's edit this one. So we'll go over there and if you scroll down here, you will see that this is also available in a portrait mode. So if you are working on reels, on shorts, then you can go with this one. Also, there are some other similar animations and some more hooks by the same creator. You can check that out as well. But for the timing, let's customize this one. Okay, so the UI is super duper sleek. You just have to enter the text, whatever you want to be written on this video. And after that, you'll have this preview video option where you can see how your text looks. So you can actually, see how will it look once edited. So let me just quickly edit this one. Okay, so it is done now, and now I'll click on the preview video option. Alright guys, so the animation is done, and now let's quickly look at the video. How does it look? Alright. Okay. So as you can see that it has perfectly integrated all the elements into the animation, and it actually looks like it's my original creation. But as you can see that there are a few things you might be not interested in. That first is this watermark that is over there, and also the FPS are the frames are very low and the quality is not better overall. Well, you don't have to worry. By the end of this video, we will remove this and you will also be able to use pro templates. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Auto AE is an amazing tool that helps you create high quality motion graphics with very little efforts, and the results are very satisfying. But the next tool is literally ChatGPT for motion graphics and animations. You just have to write a prompt and AI will handle the rest. Presenting to you here. Well, honestly guys, this tool is just on another level. The level of customization it allows you to do, from face to background to orientation, everything is just within this single tool. Once you log in into your account, you get this interface. let's quickly jump over to the template section. As you can see, there are a ton of different categories you can choose from. Let's select this map animation. Alright, so let's click on use this template and we'll go to this kind of screen. You can also input any image over here, a video, audio, any custom fonts or any CSV file if you want. But let's keep that aside and input the prompt. Zoom to United States and outline the country in the color green. Let's generate. So, and now here's the result. You can also change the aspect ratio of this. Let's select vertical for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Let's select a different aspect ratio. I guess square we can do this time. Yeah. And if you think this is mind-boggling, then just stick till the end. And let's use a different template right now. I'm thinking of using this two countries map animation. And this is how it looks. Let's use this. So I've already set up the things over here. There is a US flag and then there is a Canada flag. And the prompt I'm using is first zoom into United States, outline the country and put first image on it. Then zoom out and zoom into Canada, outline the country and put the second image on it. Then zoom out and show both the countries with images on them. Let's generate. And this is the result. Amazing. Honestly, I've been using this tool for quite some days and every time it just blows my mind. And to be honest, this tool has a lot of things to offer that it's not possible to cover everything in just one video. If you want a complete tutorial on every feature and pro tips for Hera, then comment Hera below. And if this video gets maybe 10 comments, so I'll create a dedicated video on Hera and its other advanced features. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get back and remove the watermark from Auto AE. So now let me tell you how to remove the watermark and unlock the pro features. Well, you just need to click on the link in the description and sign in from that link. This will give you 3 free trials and you can download 3 animations for completely free without watermark and better quality than the previous one we saw. Now, I don't need to tell you how to exploit this. Well, you can make multiple Google accounts. There are multiple Telegram channels. I didn't say anything. So yeah, make sure to check out the link in the description, guys. Since you are here till now, I am sure you are sincerely dedicated to know more about effectively using AI to earn money or grow your business. Therefore, I would suggest you to check out this video where I have laid down 9 insane use cases to use the new ChatGPT 5, and I'm sure you are definitely not aware of the 7th one. Also comment Hera below if you want a dedicated video on this tool where I'll equip you with the advanced knowledge that most of the creators might be hiding. So subscribe to the channel and signing off.